Good morning, guys. So for today's vlog, I'll be taking you to work with me again. So alright, so for today what I'm doing is not like a regular work day. We're having an event. So yes, I'm taking you there. So Jamaica Tallawahs will be having their press conference today. So my company is the one that's been organizing it and everything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So hope you enjoy today. Okay, so I just reached the location, and as per usual, I'm the only one here already. So I'm just gonna sit down and have something to eat and then wait on everybody else to come. So yeah. Okay, so no, my boss is here, and also another person that works with me. So I think they're going to finish setting up now. Got new shirts. Look at the shirts. Yeah, so we got the shirts and everything. So let's get going now. The conference is over, so we're packing up now. I did get a few clips that I can put in that we did and stuff like that. So yeah, we're packing up now and everything, and I'm gonna head on home. I think I'm gonna I'll be ending the vlog here. So hi.
What's up, people?
So until next time, bye.
Heading home from a long day of perilous work, dealing with Jamaica Tallawahs and thing. So the press conference is a success, guys. So Kemisha pull out a ear thing.
Yeah.
Was for a reason.
Yeah.
And we have more stress to come, so keep in tune. Watch the blog. I will say a lot of things that is going on.
Alright. Bye.